G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva, and in today's tutorial we're going to carry on from the previous one where we actually created this particular puzzle piece using the puzzle frames in Canva, having inserted into each puzzle piece a image of a lady. So basically what we want to do is isolate all these pieces. So we want to duplicate that page, separate the pieces into their individual parts like that. Okay, then we want to come over here to share, go to download, download all pages, download current page, go done, and press download. So just to quicken up this process, I have downloaded that page already and uploaded it. And basically what we want to do is then just isolate each piece on its own. So this is our process. Okay. Duplicate again. Come down to the third piece. Duplicate again, come down to the last piece, alright, like that. Okay, and we can simply come across here, duplicate that, and across, duplicate. Duplicate, duplicate that, bring that across like that, across, duplicate, just making sure that we get the full piece. Okay, duplicate again. Alright, just making sure also that we leave a little bit of room on either side for any effects we want to add, so it looks pretty decent. And when you're spacing these pieces to download, just make sure that you do give enough room. Because when you crop, you don't want to have the other piece of a puzzle within your frame. The other thing that you'll note is I have positioned this lady on the other side in one of my previous posts in this video. She's on the opposite side. Duplicate again. Come down. And there you have it. So just do a quick check over the page, and that's pretty good. Alright, so basically what we want to do is we want to end up with, I guess, something similar to this. Alright, so what we can start to do back in here is for each particular isolated image, come over to edit photo, go to shadows, we can start to do drop, and you can see that you get the drop shadow behind there. We can come here, and I just chose the blue type. Alright, so as you can see here, the blue and yellow I chose. So that's that. You can change the size, the distance, intensity, whatever you fancy. So cut along with the process down, come back over here, and as you can see, it has all the various effects associated with it. Then you just come over and join it all together. I've added in here some lights shining from left to right, and basically you can do whatever your imagination leads you to do. Take extra pieces out, rotate them the other way, all that sort of stuff. So it's endless what you can do with images and frames and effects and all that sort of stuff. So I hope this has taught you something. It has taught me something throughout the process of doing all of this. It's certainly addictive, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, and thank you very much. Signing off, Fun with Canva.